In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix household problem in TV. If you're encountering the your device isn't part of the Netflix household for the account error, here are some steps to resolve it. First thing that you'll need to do is to check your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure that your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as a TV or TV connected device associated with your Netflix household. Second thing that you'll need to do is to update Netflix household. From your TV or TV connected device, update your Netflix household settings. Then restart the Netflix app on your mobile device. Now verify your mobile device. If you're using a mobile device away from home, verify it temporarily. When you see the error message, tap Watch Temporarily. Choose to receive a code via email or text. Enter the code in the Netflix app to continue watching. Now the last thing that you'll need to do is to avoid future interruptions. Connect your device to your home Wi-Fi and open the Netflix app at least once a month to prevent similar issues. Remember, if you don't have access to TV or TV connected device, review your active devices and sign out of any unfamiliar ones to ensure your Netflix household settings are correct. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.